Hey guys, Admire FX right here, the prophetic analyst. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys the ultimate synthetic strategy in which I use to predict over 1,000 to 2,000 pips drop on V75. This strategy, I've been using it for over the past 3 years and shared it with my mentees too, and it has been super profitable. So and signals were being sent to our free Telegram community. So if you're not on our free Telegram community, do well to join our free Telegram community, which we have over 400 people plus. Okay, so you could also share from our when we drop free signals like so. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into the business of the day. So you can see, so I'm going to show you the before and the after. So see how we were able to predict the drop before it even happened.
Admire FX right here, the prophetic analyst. So I wanted to show you guys the signal we sent to our VIP. Okay, this is the trade I sent in our inner circle for V75 earlier yesterday. Okay, so we're in profit and price is a little bit retracing, still in profit. So this is the entry, and this is currently how the trade is going. So apparently where we have been looking forward for these sales. Okay, we have been looking forward for the sales of V75 since when price was at that top right there. Let me change the color to black. Since from that top right there. Alright, so we have been looking forward for V75 to at least sell all the way, alright, to this area here before a continuation back to the upside. So this is what we'll be looking out for on V75. Okay, this retracement, actually the actual trend is a bullish trend, but what we are trading now, the sales which we are trading now, is a retracement. Okay, so but the actual trend is a bullish trend. So we're trading the sales all the way. This is our first take profit. Our second take profit is all the way this first area of 44 to 447235 price, or this box. Okay, this box in which I've boxed out is a 436651. Okay, so we are expecting price to come into this zone of the 436651. Okay, then continue all the way to the upside. So let's do this. Right, so this is what we'll be looking out for on V75. We are selling to the 43556 area and a bullish continuation to the upside. So that's what we'll be looking out for. This is going to be a very deep retracement to this zone. Then from this zone, we can also look out for new bullish continuations. Can now take when we have our certain confirmations for the buys. Okay, that price is ready to continue on a bullish trend, then we can join the buy. So this is our first level take profit. Okay, our first level take profit, which is a 1:2. So overall, our second level take profit is like a 1:4 inside this zone. Okay, so that's the swing trade signal for you guys. So let's see how price goes before the weekend runs out. Okay, most of you already know I'm a swing trader, so the trades in which I take are normally swing trades, mostly swing trades which may last for a day, 2 or 3. Alright, so as far as price has not hit our stop loss nor our take profit yet, we will still be holding price. We will still be holding price for the retracement, for this sell bearish retracement to continue to the downside before we can look for bullish continuations to the upside. So that's it, guys. It's the boy and my FX once again.
Okay, welcome back. So what you just watched was the before of how we were able to foresee the future. That's why they call me the prophetic analyst. Okay, how we were able to see or to know that price is going to tank over 1,000 to 2,000 pips drop on V75. So this same strategy is what I'm about to share to you. So do well to stick around to watch to the end. So what we had to do, okay, mind you, let me do this. Let me fill this up. Okay, let me make it white. All right, make it white. Let me change this to, all right. So what we had to do was to, when I saw price, okay, on my higher time frame, I squeezed my screen. I saw price was, we saw price being bullish all the way to the upside. Okay, seeing this, knowing that price doesn't move in this manner. Okay, price moves in a wave. Okay, in form of a wave. Price does not move in a straight line. Price moves in the form of a wave, creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So what did I have to do in this case when I saw price doing so? Okay, I had to check my, I saw price went to a resistance level up here. Okay, just like you guys saw, price went to a resistance level up here. I left some imbalances here. Price was more like moving in a straight line, which is against the rules of price. So I scaled down to my lower time frame, like my 4 hour, my 1 hour, to check out price movement and why price has been moving in this manner. Okay, so I thereafter saw price has been trying to, all right, I saw price has been trying to break these highs. Okay, but rather price has not been able to break the highs. Okay, price has not been able to break the highs at all. The price was stalling at that area, We were looking out for sell opportunities. So instead of us to just sell just like that, I have my set rules. Okay, so first of all, I had to look out for chart patterns. Okay, had to look out for chart patterns in this area. I had to look out for chart pattern in this area. So the chart pattern I was having, price was showing me, was our divergence. Okay, so if you don't know about our divergence, please do well to watch our previous videos. Okay, I have two different videos on this particular topic, divergence. Okay, price divergence has to do with the RSI. Okay, the RSI and the main chart. Okay, so price was moving upward, was creating higher highs and higher lows. Then while on the RSI, price was creating higher lows. Okay, was creating lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so on the RSI, so this means that price are in a divergence movement. So I'm spotting this on my higher time frame, not just there. I had to spot it on my resistance level, which is this black line, all right, which is a zone. So and within this, I have my set principles for entry of divergence. Okay, you have to be patient enough for price to break out this support. So that's why you saw me marking out this area. Okay, that's why we marked out this area. So on price coming to this area, what was the next thing we had to do? We had to wait for price to do what? To break out. Okay, breakout is very important, even from this first breakout. Okay, I won't lie to you guys, I made some sell entries here, put my stop loss at this highs while we were being taken out, but I wasn't being deterred. Okay, because it made it actually made my confirmation in a way. So even when the retracement came, okay, up here, price took us out at some point. I when seeing my sales, I put my stop loss at these highs. Okay, price took us out after being in some retracement, but we were not being deterred. So rather we saw price doing what? Price coming back to inside the zone. Okay, faking it out, taking all these sellers out, making it look like it wishes to buy, but that wasn't the case. So on seeing this happening to price in this area, so I saw this drop. I wasn't still convinced about the drop, so I had to go back to my daily time frame and said I should be patient enough for price to close bearish at least for that daily time frame. So that's how, right? So we had this bearish close. Okay, price closed, it gave us a hammer on the daily time frame. I wasn't still convinced enough, so I had to go wait for a 4 hour. Okay, wait for a 4 hour entry for price. So I had to go back on seeing this bearish close, and the second one had to go back to my 4 hour time frame to wait for some bearish engulfing candle close, so we could make some sniper entries from that time frame. Yeah, so coming to my 4 hour time frame, okay, I saw some bearishness, okay, which was the hammer close, which was somewhere around here. So on seeing price retesting back to a little key level here, giving us this retracement, and the bearish engulfing candle close here. Okay, so then I said, okay, my setup is now ready. I had to put my sales there, put my stop loss slightly above that high. Okay, slightly above this high, taking this other recent high here, okay, as my stop loss, and targeting this support level, which is normally where you have the black line here, which is normally my 1:2. So as you can see, thereafter, what happened to price was dripping all the way to the downside. So that's how we were able to catch over 1,000 pips all the way to the downside on V75. So do well to practice this strategy, backtest it on your own MetaTrader or your trading view platform, and see how well it works. Okay, well, mind you, for the meantime, this is what we actually traded was the sell retracement. Okay, what we actually traded here was the sell retracement for V75. We are still expecting, we're actually bullish. Okay, we're actually bullish on V75 now. Okay, you guys can see this arrow in which I dropped there. So we are expecting more bullish sentiment to the upside. So let me drag this over to this area. Okay, so we are expecting more bullish continuation to the upside for V75. So when this 4 hour candle actually closes, what I'm going to do is to put a new bullish entry and put my stop loss at the wick of that candle and target my highs here. Okay, so that will be what we'll be looking out for on V75, a buy retracement and continuation to the upside. So if you're actually watching this video right about now, okay, you can also look out for these confirmations I'm just speaking about. Okay, because price has retraced back to our area of interest, which is actually the 446296 area, and a bullish continuation to the upside. So what we actually were trading was the sell retracement. So that's how you can see we were able to trade the buys, and we can even trade the sells. So all you just need is the skill set. So if you're not on a free Telegram community, do well to click on the description below. You find the link to our Telegram community to join. And if you also want to trade the way that we do, okay, you can join our mentorship and get access to knowing how we are able to trade price just the way that we trade here. Okay, so you can follow me on Twitter on at admirefx, admire_fx, rather, admire_fx on Twitter. There I drop free educational content and nuggets and setups too for us. So without further ado, see you guys on the other side.